Okay, we're back with the Cobra 29XLR. You will probably notice that there's no audio coming out of the speaker. And that's because with this radio, you have to have a microphone connected for the audio to work. Make sure I've got that the right way. See? Okay. Keep turning this, thinking it's the volume control. Alright, so this is the Cobra 29XLR connected to a Wilson antenna, mag mount antenna. So we got the RF gain up.
The name of the ASU. This I know they got
two of my radios, one and this one and the I could run the gate, but he already here at the gate from my perspective, so I'm gonna stand by.
Hey, one thing, that's a lot of quarter watt in a long time. Yes, you could do things.
Alright, so there's locals chatting, but the band seems to be pretty quiet. Alright, let me just get my monitor rig up here. Find the high school art. Oops. 27.205. That's a new one. Radio check, 1, 2, 1, 2, radio check. Radio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, radio check, 1, 2, 1, 2, radio check, hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, hello, audio, check.
No, something ain't right with the
This guy's splat now.
On 19, going back down on 2nd Street with the rest of the good buddy.
Fortunately, the band is dead at the moment.
She can't come stealing.
It would appear.
That's right.
This guy's usually on 22.
Across the street. That they were talking about you.
You don't want to stay there either.
Oh, they burn their bridges, ain't they?
That's what I'm talking about, John.
They sound rough.
That's good.
The point is that it receives. This is what I'm trying to say. And the internal speaker
You got a
works.
basement.
No,
I'll be looking at the S meter and try to figure out what's going on with that. But the radio is functional. It does transmit and receive, and it does work on the additional channels with the DigiMax Lite board. And here's the microphone. It's a 636L. It's brand new. I just took it out of the box, and you saw the demo of that a few seconds ago. But yeah, this is a good radio. It's you know, it's a great radio. Cobra 29XLR with the DigiMax Lite version 2.0 channel expansion board.